Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you the glitch tutorial in Capcut. So after you import your video, split your video into several clips. So this is an optional, you can just use the whole video, but I'm going to split it like this so it become several clips. And after that, go to the first video, and in between the first and second clip, click on the transition, and here find the glitch transition, this one. Okay, so here you can see there are so many glitch options that you can choose, but I'm going to go with just the glitch in general. Click on the glitch, and here you can adjust the speed, and next click on apply to all, so the transition will be applied to all of the clips. Okay, so it has been applied. Click on a check icon, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. Don't forget to click like and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.